Welcome to English Chat Lab. Today, we'll learn 10 daily English phrases that you must know to speak fluently. Let's get started. Phrase 1. It's not my cup of tea. Use this to say that you don't like or enjoy something. Example. Do you like horror movies? Not really. They're not my cup of tea. Phrase 2. I'll keep you posted. Use this to let someone know you'll give them updates. Example. When will we know the final plan? I'm not sure yet, but I'll keep you posted. Phrase 3. Let's play it by ear. Use this when you decide to be flexible and make plans as you go. Example. Should we plan the entire trip? No, let's play it by ear and decide when we get there. Phrase 4. I'm all ears. Use this to show you're ready and excited to listen. Example. Can I tell you about my new project? Of course, I'm all ears. Phrase 5. It's a no-brainer. Use this to describe something that is very obvious or easy to decide. Example. Should we take the free upgrade? Definitely, it's a no-brainer. Phrase 6. Let's get the ball rolling. Use this to suggest starting something, especially a project or activity. Example. Should we wait for everyone else to arrive? No, let's get the ball rolling now. Phrase 7. It's up in the air. Use this to say something is uncertain or undecided. Example. Have they finalized the date for the event? Not yet. It's still up in the air. Phrase 8. Bite the bullet. Use this when you need to do something difficult or unpleasant but necessary. Example. I hate going to the dentist. I know, but you'll have to bite the bullet and go. Phrase 9. Burning the midnight oil. Use this to describe staying up late to work or study. Example. You look tired. Did you sleep late? Yeah, I was burning the midnight oil to finish my project. Phrase 10. The ball is in your court. Use this to say it's someone else's turn to make a decision. Example. Should we move forward with the plan? I've done my part. The ball is in your court now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to English Chat Lab for more English tips. See you in the next video.